Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the recently added list from the start menu in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what we're going to do here is open up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time. You see we have a recently added section up here, so in order to get rid of that, we're going to go select the setting gear icon on the left side. You hover over it, it says settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the personalization tile, and then select start on the left side. And then where it says show recently added apps over here, go ahead and toggle that to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time. Once it's done, you can go ahead and close out of here, and I believe the change should take effect immediately. So there you go, guys, pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.